Hello guys, welcome back to our channel GM's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a very delicious recipe. It's Bombay Halwa. So now let's get into the video. Before that, if you are watching my channel for the first time, to like, share, subscribe my channel and comment below how your experience. Let's get into the video. I've taken a bowl and greased the bowl with ghee. I've taken 1 cup of corn flour here. The ratio is only important and adding to a bowl. So now let's add sugar. I am going to add 2.5 cups of sugar in this cup itself. So now let's add 2.5 cups of sugar over a pan. So now let's add water to it. 2.5 cups of water to it. Let's make it a slurry. This slurry should be really very watery. Add 0.5 cup of water extra. This consistency should be really. I've switched on the stove and gonna add water to it. 2.5 cup of water. Let's mix it with. So now let's add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to it. The string is not important, so now let's add the cornflour slurry to this. Mix it once and add to it. It's really very simple to make and it will taste really very delicious. If you don't want to add food color to this halwa, you can have a caramel for this. In this pan, you can add 3 tablespoons of sugar to it and do not add water to it. Let it come to a honey color and the food color is ready. But always, as usual, Bombay halwa will have a color to it. So I am going to add color to it. If you can observe, it is thickened a little. Stir this really very continuously or else you will have lumps in it. The consistency it would attain is glass consistency. So now let's add a bit of ghee to it. So now let's add food color to it. So it's fully optional. It's cardamom powder. If wanted, add it. So let's add cashew nut, roasted cashew nut and roasted pistachio. So now let's end it with a spoon of ghee. So in a ghee greased bowl, I'm gonna add cashew nut, roasted cashew nut and roasted pistachio. Pour halwa into the bowl. So now let's flatten it. Balance cashew nut and pistachio. So now let's let it cool for 1 hour and after that let's make a piece. Let's open it. So let's flip it over. It looks really awesome. So now let's cut it into pieces. I am going to make 9 equal halves. This halwa is gonna be really very nice. Do try this at your home. It will taste delicious. I too tasted it. It is awesome, unbelievable. So I've cut it into 9 equal half. So let's taste it, okay? We came to the end of the video. So let's taste it. It's really very soft. So it tastes delicious. Do try this recipe at your home also. If you're watching my channel for the first time, do like, share, subscribe my channel and comment below how was your experience. Thank you for